What's up, guys? Oh my gosh, I just can't see these types of words. Legendary Broker. Today we're going to be playing some Teardown. So let's go right into this. Make sure you like, subscribe. Go and check out merchandise. It's in the link in the description down below the video. Let's go right into this. Alright, first, we're obviously going to do this one, of course. Bro, what the heck is the Kirby, bro? What's the Kirby? Yeah, I'm not sure that. Okay. So what is this, Chubby? Let me guess, it's probably just a good old. Hmm? We're eating. Yeah, what? Okay, I have no idea where the Kirby is. I. Bro, this is. What? How do I? E. How to explode? Oh, it's K. Wait. Boom. Bam. Bop. Bada boom bam. Bop. Oh yeah, baby. Right there, and right here. Boom! Ah! Wow, I just killed myself. Bro! Oh my gosh. Alright, hold up. I want to see if. Okay, that should be good. Alright. Wait, what? What? So it looks like my C4 was a little bit too uh explosive. I don't know how to say it, but I guess you can see it like yep. But now it's time to destroy this part. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's do this. I'm butterfly tapping right now. Right? Come on, 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 come on. Up. Alright. And now we have to do the good old elevator, but first, of course, we gotta put it in. I mean, you gotta put some in here, of course. We're just gonna close that door, I guess. And butterflies happen. Bro, I don't want blue tide. Oh, yeah, thanks for the views. Butterfly tapping again. Put some on this side. And might as well put some on here. That's on this car. Bro, what the heck happened? Okay, just we're gonna play some. Ooh, can I open this? I can't open that. Place one out the window. Boom. And boom. Boom. Alright, guys, I think we're good. Huh. Okay, I think that's a good enough. Oh my. No, I have some of myself. Wait. Wait. Oh no. Uh-oh. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Uh. Wait. What's the damage? What's the damage, bro? Bruh. Are you kidding? Oh my gosh. Are you flipping kidding me, dude? In 3. Wait. Hold up. I'm gonna make a big explosion. So I gotta put like a bunch of C4s. Bunch of them right here. And I'm gonna see fire explosion. Bunch right here. Alright, here we go. Ready? I'm gonna go to the end of the hallway and you guys are gonna see like a big explosion. 3, 2, 1. Oh, did you guys see it? It was like a fire explosion. Oh, dude. Bro. No. Alright, is it gonna lag if I'm all the way over here? Oh! Yo! Wait, I'm gonna do like a hallway. So let me restart. I know the perfect one. I know the perfect one. I know the perfect one. So we gotta go change water. Where? No. Are you kidding? Are you kidding, bro? Okay, well, I restarted the map. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to place like a bunch of C4 in this hallway right here. A bunch of C4 right here. Oh. Let's go. Butterfly tapping. Gotta put some on the ceiling. These walls. I want to make a big explosion. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, this should be it. Oh, do we have... Yes, we have this. This is for sure. We're going to make... Well, oh my gosh. 3. Oh my gosh, that's... It's how do we do more damage, but... Well, guys, that's going for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, go and check out my channel. So it's in the link in the description down below the video. And I'm Legendary Good, and I am out. Peace.